guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows ME or Windows Millennium Edition inside VirtualBox. So let's get started. First, open up VirtualBox and then click on New to create a new virtual machine. Name it Windows ME. Windows ME. And then Microsoft Windows ME, click on Next. You can leave all these hardware as default. And then go to your settings, storage, hit this empty disk here. And then select your OEM ISO, which is bootable. Yep, here we go. Oops, oh, here it is. And click on OK. And now we can start up our virtual machine. And now let's enter scaled mode. I'll go into boot from CD-ROM. Start Windows 98 set from Windows Millennium Edition set from CD-ROM. PCI bus scan complete. Microsoft Windows ME setup. Click on enter. Configure allocated. Yes, you do want to enable large disk support. Press enter. Oops. Don't want to boot from the hard disk. There's nothing on the hard disk. Search from CD-ROM. Start Windows 9. Start Windows set from CD-ROM. Formatting drive C. For 100%, press enter. Microsoft scan disk, and we're in part 2 in this graphical part of the Windows Millennium Edition setup. Click on next. Next. Typical, install the most common components recommended. Continue. Computer name. I'm just gonna name it Windows Me-PC, and then click on next. United States, Pacific time. Ready to begin copying files? Click on finish. In the meantime, I'm gonna pull up one of those prokkeys that you can find on the internet these days. And I'm gonna leave a link for the prokkey in the description down below. Or I'm just gonna paste it in there. So let me just open up here. There we go. One more. Okay, there they are. Faster and easier. Let's just wait for this to copy files. 35. Now it's going some fast. First it was copying those important ones, and now it's copying those less important ones like the EXEs and other stuff that are usually just a few megabytes. And not anymore the huge Windows folder or the system folder or here, this version, there is no System 32 folder. And there's 5 steps. Let's just wait. 88, 90, 91, 94, 95, 90, 100. Restart now, and restart now, and this time we're gonna boot from hard disk. Now we're in the second part, which is Windows ME proper, and that part was a mini Windows 3.1 install. hardware detection, detecting hardware. Just wait for this hardware detection thing to complete. It's at 69, 70, 71, 73, 75, 76, 77, 80, 81, 82. Let's just wait. 91, 92, 93, 94%, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. And setting up hardware. Okay, now enter your name. I'm just gonna do my typical that I do every single time. Oops, I wanted to put caps on. That's how I'm gonna name it. BH.show. I accept the license agreement. And now this proxy on the internet is gonna come in handy. We just enter it in. And 73, 73. Oops, didn't want to type in an E here. I think this one isn't good. Let's do one of these ones. So JW H3C WC 317 MC92 MC92. I don't know where they generate these proxies. They're so hard to type in. 9XQ 8G 7W39W7 7W39. Okay, I think it's done. I can click on next. Oops, it's not good. Do it from here. Oop. So this site doesn't work. Find a different site. Oh, Internet Archive. And it's easier to type in. And this one always works. GKDMG. Oops. DNG. And let's just enter the final 3 letters. Oh, now this proxy worked. And now we just finished the setup. And we have to restart our computer again, or virtual machine, I mean. From hard disk, Windows tab, setting up hardware again. And now it's finishing the stuff, setting up control panel, programs on the start menu, and Windows help now, and let's just wait, updating system settings. At least it doesn't have that rumbling stuff like in Windows 98, and at least doesn't give errors like when I tried to install Windows 98. Let's just wait for this thing to complete, and then we're going to be finally restarted and booted into Windows ME. And this set wizard is kind of nice. So this background of the set wizard, Windows ME is commonly rated the worst version of Windows. I don't really agree on that. I never used Windows ME on any main computer. I just used it on virtual machines, and I don't even use it there on that much. I'm personally a Linux user, so I use Windows only in a virtual machine. And I don't use any of those Microsoft apps like Word. I just have Windows Server 2022 inside VMware, and that's what I use when I need some Windows applications that are not available for Linux. Let's just wait, it's almost complete. Component progress. On Windows ID there is no component progress, just overall progress. Overall progress. And this is running in 16 colors. Mode only. And VirtualBox Guest Edition doesn't work on 9Xs. It only works on Windows 2000 and above. So XP, Vista 7, 10, 8.18, 11. And you might ask me, why do I always install these newer versions of Windows in VMware and older versions of Windows inside VirtualBox? Because VirtualBox always freezes when I try to install anything newer than Windows XP, so that's why. And basically immediately jumps to not responding. Okay, it's done, finally. Okay, click on Restart Now. And now we can boot from the hard disk once again. Completed files, continuing to load Windows. Okay, just enter your username that we put in by the SAP. Update system settings. Again, this typical grumble thing. This is going much faster than in Windows 98. It gives no errors. Let's just hope that we're gonna boot into the finally, we booted into Windows ME. There we go. We can open up WinRAR by writing Windows R and typing in WinRAR. Windows Millennium Edition. There we go. And we can go to Active Desktop, customize my desktop. Can go to Background and find Windows ME all the way at the end. This is an Internet Explorer page that we can also apply. Yeah, and this one is kind of cool. Yeah, we're gonna leave this one. So yeah, that's how to install Windows Millennium Edition inside VirtualBox. If you found this video useful, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. So with all that said, bye!